Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arshi's Amazing World. So my name is Arshi and in today's video I am going to tell you how to make a beautiful notebook. So before starting the video, I hope you will like my video, subscribe, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Materials which are required are 1 any color A4 size sheet, 1 small notebook, stapler, 1 marker, black marker and sketch pen. So first we have to take notebook and cover with the sheet. So here I have covered my notebook with a white sheet because I did not like green color. So now we will make designs on it. I have already made it and I will make more. So I have made boundaries like this. Now I will give a title to my notebook. So I have given a title to my notebook is My World, and inside I have written love yourself and decorate by making some hearts cute and big. So how do you like my notebook? Tell me in comment section, and this is much. So bye.